We're just past new moon, so it would be a good opportunity to take some images of the moon. So I think that's what we'll do tonight, take some videos of the moon and then stitch them together and see what we come up with. Currently the telescope is looking at the surface of the moon. Here's the rig. And there's the moon up there. It's a really calm night tonight, very, very still. And it's just been nice to have a look at different parts of the moon actually. It's just been really good. Again, I didn't actually do a proper polar alignment, just a rough polar alignment. And now I'm just using the hand controller down here. And I'm just going to explore the moon. I've also taken some video footage which I'll stack together, and hopefully that should produce some nice pictures close up of the moon's surface.